Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Why choose a cordless car vacuum in 2025? Cordless car vacuums are a game changer for vehicle cleaning. Unlike corded models, they eliminate the hassle of extension cords or limited mobility, allowing you to maneuver effortlessly around seats, dashboards, and trunks. Number 3. Dyson Car Plus Boat V8 Premium Power for Deep Cleaning. The Dyson Car Plus Boat, a reconfigured Dyson V8, is the premium pick for those wanting unmatched suction and versatility. At 5.8 pounds, it's heavier but delivers exceptional power, with a 36-minute runtime in low mode and strong performance in max mode for tough messes like small stones or pet hair. Its large 0.54-liter dustbin minimizes interruptions, and the mini motorized head and crevice tool make quick work of carpets, seats, and narrow gaps. The Dyson's advanced filtration captures 99.97% of dust, ideal for allergy sufferers. While its price is higher and the trigger-style power button may tire your hand, its cleaning prowess and ability to double as a home vacuum justify the investment for car owners seeking professional-grade results. Number 2. Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus, best for pet owners. For pet owners battling fur-covered seats, the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus is a standout choice. This lightweight, 2.8 pounds, cordless vacuum boasts impressive suction for its size, excelling on carpets, floor mats, and hard surfaces. Its large dustbin, 0.45 liters, reduces the need for frequent emptying, and the open-jaw canister design ensures debris goes straight to the trash. The included pet hair tool with rubber fins grabs stubborn fur, while the crevice tool tackles tight spaces like between seats. With a 15-minute runtime and a washable filter, it's low maintenance and cost-effective. Testers praised its ability to handle pet hair and larger debris like Cheerios, though it may require multiple passes for deeply embedded messes. For car owners with furry passengers, this vacuum's specialized attachments and robust performance make it a top contender in 2025. Number 1. Worx 20 volts Power Share Cordless Cube Vac WX030L. The Worx 20 volts Power Share Cordless Cube Vac WX030L tops our list for its exceptional balance of power, portability, and innovative design. Weighing just 3 pounds, its compact, boxy shape is easy to hold or set down inside your car, with a 4-foot retractable hose that reaches deep into footwells and under seats. Its 20 volts battery delivers solid suction, 9.3 CFM airflow, that effortlessly handles dirt, sand, and pet hair, matching or outperforming competitors with higher airflow. The vacuum comes with a crevice tool and brush attachment stored onboard, making it a breeze to switch between tasks like cleaning air vents or upholstery. With a 15-minute runtime and a 15-30-minute charge time, it's perfect for most car cleaning jobs. If you own other Worx tools, the interchangeable battery adds extra value. This vacuum's maneuverability and thoughtful design make it a must-have for car owners seeking efficiency and ease. Key features to look for in a car vacuum. When choosing a car vacuum, prioritize suction power, battery life, and attachments. High suction, measured in air watts or CFM, ensures effective debris removal, while a runtime of 15-20 minutes suits most car cleaning tasks. Crevice tools and brush attachments are essential for reaching tight spaces and lifting embedded dirt. A lightweight design, under 3 pounds, enhances maneuverability, and a large, easy-to-empty dustbin saves time. Cordless models with fast-charging batteries and washable filters offer convenience and cost savings, making them ideal for frequent use. Why these vacuums stand out? The Worx Cube Vac, Shark Ultra Cyclone, and Dyson Car Plus Boat excel in 2025 for their tailored features. The Worx offers unmatched portability and versatility, the Shark tackles pet hair with ease, and the Dyson delivers premium power for deep cleaning. Each model is cordless, lightweight, and equipped with essential attachments, ensuring every car owner, whether a pet lover, parent, or neat freak, can keep their vehicle spotless. Invest in one of these top-rated vacuums to transform your car cleaning routine and enjoy a fresher, tidier ride. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.